Which substance do leeches secrete to prevent blood clotting? Hirudine is a naturally occurring peptide in the salivary glands of medicinal leeches that acts as a potent anticoagulant by inhibiting thrombin. This allows the leech to feed on the host's blood without it clotting during the process. Pepsin is a digestive enzyme produced in the stomach that breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. While leeches secrete an anesthetic to numb the bite site, it does not prevent blood clotting. Trypsin is a proteolytic enzyme found in the small intestine that aids in the digestion of proteins. What is the process called when the thickened lining of the uterus and its blood vessels are shed off? Menstruation is the physiological process where the functional layer of the endometrium is shed along with blood when fertilization does not occur. This cycle is regulated by the rise and fall of estrogen and progesterone levels in the female body. Besides water, what else is regulated for reabsorption into the blood? The kidneys maintain the body's pH by selectively reabsorbing bicarbonate ions and secreting hydrogen ions during the tubular reabsorption process. This regulation is critical for ensuring that the blood remains within a narrow, slightly alkaline range. In which type of blood vessel does blood pressure gradually drop after the arteries? Arterioles are known as resistance vessels where the greatest decrease in blood pressure occurs before blood enters the capillaries. This drop is crucial to protect delicate capillary walls and regulate blood flow to specific tissues. If an organism is classified as without blood, which broader category would it fall under first? In early biological classification systems like those of Aristotle, living things were first divided into the broad kingdoms of plants and animals. Animals were then further subdivided based on the presence or absence of red blood, enema and anema. What characteristic describes a warm-blooded animal? Homeothermic animals, such as birds and mammals, maintain a constant internal body temperature regardless of the external environment. This physiological trait allows them to remain active in a wide range of climates but requires significant metabolic energy. Variable body temperature describes poikilothermic or cold-blooded animals whose temperature changes with the environment. Poikilothermic refers to animals that cannot regulate their body temperature internally, which is the opposite of warm-blooded. Cold-blooded is a synonym for poikilothermic and describes animals like reptiles and fish. Which characteristic describes the shape of red blood cells? Mammalian red blood cells, erythrocytes, are biconcave discs, which increases the surface area to volume ratio for efficient gas exchange. This unique shape also allows them to be flexible enough to squeeze through narrow capillaries. What combines with oxygen in the blood to form oxyhemoglobin? Hemoglobin is an iron-rich protein in red blood cells that binds reversibly with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin for transport to tissues. This process is crucial for aerobic respiration and maintaining metabolic functions in the body. Wrong B. White blood cells are primarily involved in the immune response and do not transport oxygen. Wrong C. Plasma is the liquid component of blood that carries nutrients and waste but has very low oxygen carrying capacity compared to hemoglobin. Wrong D. Platelets are cell fragments responsible for blood clotting and do not participate in oxygen transport. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.